In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the hub page in Zoho Learn, focusing on understanding its four main sections and what each of them encompasses. This walkthrough will enhance your experience and ensure you can leverage all the resources and tools Zoho Learn offers with ease and efficiency. Let's begin by exploring the knowledge section. Within this area, you'll discover a series of sub-options that are instrumental for managing your information. First, we have My Manuals. Here, you'll find all the manuals you own or those you follow closely. It's an excellent resource for quickly accessing important documents that you need to refer to or update regularly. Next, we move on to My Articles. This sub-option stores all the articles you've crafted. Whether for personal use or organizational sharing, this hub keeps your written work neatly organized. Bookmarks is a really handy tool that allows for quick access to saved content. Think of it as your digital library card, making important resources just a click away. In the Shared section, you can see items other users have specifically shared with you. It's ideal for collaborative work and keeping track of resources that are essential but not originally authored by you. Finally, Explore is perfect for browsing resources available across your organization. It offers a broader view of the collective knowledge within your team or company. Moving on to the Learning section, this area is dedicated to enhancing your educational experiences in Zoho Learn. Under My Learning, you'll be able to view and manage the courses you are actively enrolled in. This helps keep track of your progress and upcoming learning activities. My Authoring is a creative and managerial hub where you handle the courses you've authored, allowing you to update and maintain the content you provide to learners. The Explore tab here functions similarly to its Knowledge counterpart, focusing on available learning content rather than informational resources. It's a valuable tool for expanding the educational opportunities for yourself and others. Meanwhile, the Question Bank holds the key to managing and reusing questions for assessments, making it invaluable for educators and trainers needing a streamlined question management system. In Spaces, this is where collaboration thrives. My Space is all about accessing your personal area, where your individual projects and collaborations are centered. In addition, All Spaces allows you to view and join different spaces created within your organization, elevating group work through shared environments and easy idea exchanges. Lastly, we arrive at the Reports dashboard, an indispensable resource for insights and performance tracking. My Reports gives you a personal lens through which to view your reports. If you need to monitor progress across multiple learners, the Multiple Learner Report is the way to go, offering a broader perspective on group achievements. For detailed insights concerning a single learner, the Individual Learner Report provides that focus. If your interests lie in course performance, both the Multiple Course Report and Individual Course Report offer analytical views across many courses or within a single course. And finally, the Knowledge Analytics dives into details concerning manuals and articles, gathering data and trends in usage that guide your decision-making process. This structured breakdown equips you with everything needed to navigate the Zoho Learn Hub page, optimize learning, foster collaboration, and make informed decisions based on comprehensive insights.